Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Tonkeeper wallet or app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, as you can see, I'm inside Tonkeeper and I'm in the wallet section. And now from here, you want to click onto buy and sell. And automatically it'll put you to the buy option at the top, but we want to get into the sell tab. So click on sell. And now you'll see here where it says sell ton, you've got Mercurial, so sale with withdrawal to a credit card. But if you click on show all, it will show you another way too. So sell ton to a bank card instantly. Now for this demonstration, if you want to sell ton to a bank card instantly, go ahead and click onto Change and then click on open Change. Now it's going to redirect you to another page inside Tonkeeper. And because I don't have sufficient funds, I won't be able to sell my ton. But yeah, if you've got enough a ton, you can sell directly straight to your bank account. But if we go back, so if we want to do this on Mercurio, sale with withdrawal to a credit card, click into that and then click on sell with Mercurio. And as you can see, I'll send, if I've got 47 ton, I can sell that and I'll get 300 USD. And then from there, you want to click onto sell. You can also change your region as well, top right hand corner, AU, you can change it to another region. Choose which country, if it hasn't automatically detected where you're from. So I'm going to click on sell here. And now what you want to do is put in your email and you can subscribe to the newsletter if you want. And then from there, click on continue and then you'll complete your transaction.